morning. For Traders Exclusive, this is George Kachuk with RCM Wealth Advisors reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Just a brief market message this morning. We'll take a look at the equity markets, and here we are the first week in May. And the equity markets, the market breadth is still pretty good. However, we're starting to see some weakness, especially in the NASDAQ. NASDAQ's been down 7 days in a row. It's lost about 4% off its highs, and so we're looking to see if the NASDAQ can bounce. Now, looking at the levels, NASDAQ slipped below its 200-day moving average. It's right about 48.45. However, it did maintain that 47.50 area, which we thought would be the next support area, and it's bouncing off of there. So before we commit any more money in the market, we'd like to see if the NASDAQ can get above that 48.45 level to tell us that this rally still has some legs and it's going to go forward. So the NASDAQ got hit basically because a lot of the large cap tech companies missed on some earnings, namely Microsoft, Apple, some of the big biotechs, Gilead, Celgene. Also, we saw a miss out of Google. So that's a little bit problematic for the NASDAQ. However, we did see some positive things as Facebook blew out earnings, as did Amazon. And those are probably the two stocks that are all the big cap stocks, big cap tech stocks that are hanging in there pretty good. Now, the S&P is faring a little bit better. It did get rejected at a 2100 level, and we thought it's going to take some time to try to work through there. It is still above its moving averages. It did bounce off the 2050 level, and as long as it holds about 2014, which is, it's a good ways above that, the uptrends will still be intact. And we'll keep looking at market breadth. Market breadth is still very positive. We looked at NYSE advanced decline line. It continues to move higher, leading the indexes. So those are all good signs. So in summary, the market's a little bit at a pause here. Wouldn't be too aggressive in this market. It might take a week or two to see which way the market's going to decide to go, what develops further, and you should take your cues from that. So as always, let price and volume be your guide. This is George Kachuk with RCM Wealth Advisors reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Have a great trading week.